Hello everyone. We will discuss about loop instruction which we are using in the embedded C. Now, looping instruction. These instructions are used for executing a particular block of code repeatedly till the condition is met or wait till an event is fired. That is, repeating a sequence of instruction certain number of times is called as a loop. Consider example loop instruction. Label is used to perform a loop operation. In this instruction, we have taken example as a loop instruction. In this instruction, a register is decremented by 1 and if it is not 0, then it is used to jump to the target address. Otherwise, it will go outside of the program. It is also used to check the status of certain input-output ports, register, etc. Also, for producing delay, looping instruction is used. While loop. In general, while loop allows a part of code to be executed multiple times depending upon a given Boolean condition. It can be viewed as a repeating if statement. The while loop is mostly used in a case where the number of iterations is not known in advance. While loop is an entry control loop statement. Also, we can say the expression is evaluated first and if it is true, the body of loop is entered and it is executed. The execution of the while loop, body of while loop is repeatedly till the expression becomes false. Means whenever it gets false, then only it stops, otherwise the loop is continued. Now next is the do while loop. Do while loop is similar to the while loop with one exceptional, that it executes the statement inside the body of do while before checking the condition. So we can say that if the condition is false at the first place, then do while would run once. However, the while loop would not run at all. In do while loop, the body of the loop is executed at least once. At the end of each execution of the body of the loop, the while condition, or we can say that while expression, is evaluated, and if it is true, the loop is repeated. Otherwise, loop is terminated. Now, for loop. For loop is the repetition control structure which allows us to write a loop that is executed a specific number of times. A loop enables us to perform n number of steps together in one line. In for loop, a loop variable is used to control the loop. For loop, it is the entry control loop. Also, it enters and executes the body of the loop only if the test for the condition is true. For loop contains a loop control variable which may be initialized within the initialization part of the loop. Also, multiple variables can be initialized. This is all about loop.